Hi, you guys. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I got it. Oops. I got it, guys. And yes, I did put my stuff in the dishwasher. So, ooh, that's, oh yeah, my lips kind of hurt. Anyway, it's empty. Where can I switch you? I think right there. Okay. So yeah, I'm so psyched. Let me open this. I gotta find a scissors. Hang on. Just a little dinky thing. Look how small it is. Here's the yarn. And it gives you instructions on how to do it. Here, yes, kind of like glue it on or something. I think you fit it on here. Afterwards, and it can get hung. I just want something simple. I know this is a tiny thing, but that's what it would look like. And okay. Okay. Yeah, I was right. You hang it up like that. Hang it up like that. This is how you do it. Yeah. Yep. I'm so happy, guys. I finally got it. I finally got it. I finally got it. Yeehaw. I finally got it. No. Oh wow, and here's extra right here. I don't want to lose my latch hook. Here are some stickers. Cool. Cool. I know. So, yeah. And I found something else I want later when I get that project all done. Let me find it. I have it saved on my Facebook. So give me a minute here. Where is it? Give me a second. I don't know where to pause this. Is there a pause on here? Do you pause this? I don't know. I agree with this. It doesn't matter what she did. It's never okay to hit a woman, ever. I agree. Don't you agree with that? Same thing goes for children. It's never okay to hit. Oh, I can't seem to find it. Okay, right here. I found it. Finally. I want this later. I'm gonna make this. See. And the price, I think it's around $50. So yeah. Man, this is hurting me. Fuck, it's peeling. Anyway, I am going to make myself something to eat. So, yeah. What do I want to make? Something to eat, weedy. Let me see. I am a klutz. That's what I am. I think I'll have ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. And I like these pop-up things because it's more easier to use with it opening. And what I do is I crush in these. Okay. And I gotta be careful with looking for the expiration date on here. I had one expire on me. Where is the expiration date? I found it before on the other one. Oh, right here. Go through March. Okay. So I wanted to share. So I got my Olaf. That's what I'm happy for. I got the Olafy. Mr. Fifi. And I'm never, ever, ever cheating on Eeyore, ever. He's still my main boyfriend. Yeah, huh? He is. Olaf is just a friend. 'Cause friends give out warm hugs, don't ya? So I'm gonna have something to eat. I only have like a piece of pumpkin pie. I didn't want it to spoil in my fridge. So... got it. Got it. And I'll be watching Young and the Restless Dudes So, toodaloo donkey beanies. I don't know, this keeps peeling. Like dry skin. Hurts. Alright, bye. Oink oink.